6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And 4 right tightens, 2 right in. And square left. Into 3 right in. Into long 4 right plus in. Into late 3 left. Into very long 4 right opens. 60, 6 left over max crest. 80. 6 right. 60, long 4 left and 3 right, tightens 2 right, watch. So 3 right, tightens 2 right, watch. 40, 5 left and 5 right, 60, 4 long 4 left continues over crest, 130, short 4 right over loose, 170, unseen open hairpin left. Repeat.
What's this for? Is this 4?
4 right. 170, unseen open hairpin left, loose. .150, 3 right plus in. And caution 6 left over crest and 2 left in. Into late long 2 right, tightens. 60, 5 right in over crest and 6 right over crest.
What? Repeat.
6 right over crest. 40, 3 right in past junction. 130, open hairpin left. Repeat, open hairpin left. 40, very long 5 right. Into crest and short 3 right, 6 left. Over crest. And 3 right in, past junction, opens 4 right. And 6 left over crest, 40. Crest 5 left in. Into long 5 right, nips, caution, 40, late hairpin left. Caution, 40, late hairpin left. 80, 5 left plus. 40, fast 4 right in, over crest. 60, 4 right plus in. 5 left. And late hairpin right. Repeat, late hairpin right. 60 down mid. Caution, 5 left in, continues for 60. Tightens into open hairpin, into hairpin left plus. Into late 2 right, opens long. 80, 6 left, 100. Well done.
What, mark that?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. 6 left, opens
Yep.
100. Fast 2 right and 5 left in. And 5 right. And 6 left over crest, 40 crest, 3 left in plus. 150, long fast 4 right, and into left on crest, into 3 right plus, and 5, 40, and 5 left, and 6 left over crest.
Yep.
60,
Yep.
6 left, and turn tight hairpin left around bail. 6 left and turn tight hairpin left around the bail. Here. And 3 right, 4 left in over crest, 40, turn square right. 200, care, small crest, 4 right, 60, fast 3 right in, 60.
Yep.
6 left over crest and long, 5 left tightens. 3 left plus over crest.
Repeat this left, is this 3?
5 left, 5 left.
Yep, yep.
3 left plus over crest and 5 right. 60, fast 4 right in, slippy. And flat crest, 5 left in, 100. left on crest, 60, very short, 3 right. Repeat, very short, 3
Okay.
right. Into crest, 5 left, and 6 right over crest, 80, 6 right past bench, 100.
Yep.
Care late, 3 right plus. 100. 3 left in, slippy. 130. 6 left over small crest, 100. Very short, 3 left in, 6 right. Into small crest, and long 5 right nips, into left on crest, and fast 4 right,
Yep.
and crest 5 left slippy,
Yep.
and 5 left past barn, 100 slippy,
Yep.
turn hairpin left slippy. Opens, 80, long late, square right past junction, square right past junction, and 4 left, into 5 right, 130, hairpin left, 170, four right,
Running out of tyres.
okay, 4 right, and 3 left, minus, very slippy, into 6 right, 100, 5 right plus in, 40, 5 left, 40, care, 4 left minus, 4 right, 40, 6 left, 60, 3 right plus, 60, 3 right slippy, and 6 left 40. 6 left logging, 60, late fast 4 right in,
Yep. Yep. Yep.
40, long 6 left,
Yep.
150 down mid over finish,
Yep.
40,
Yep.
no, tight 4 right over the finish. Okay, okay. Well done.
I was overcommitting there. Like last right-handed.
They moved the finish in a note this morning. They moved that finish because they probably thought it was
No, it's been there before.
going to be a bit